40 seconds. That's all it takes. In less than the time you spend scrolling on your phone, Tesla completes an entire car, from bare metal to road-ready machine. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now inside the world's fastest car factory. We're talking about a factory so massive it can be seen from space, a sprawling monument to human engineering and automation. This is Tesla's latest Gigafactory, and it's rewriting the very definition of speed and scale in manufacturing. Here, the impossible happens every single minute. 90 cars an hour, 2,000 cars a day, and a future where mass production might feel more like science magic. How is this even possible? The secret lies in Tesla's groundbreaking, unboxed manufacturing system. Instead of building cars piece by piece in a traditional assembly line, Tesla reimagined the entire process. Gigapresses the size of apartment buildings forge massive car parts in seconds. AI-driven robots coordinate hundreds of tasks with zero downtime. And supply chains are vertically integrated, meaning raw materials enter one side of the factory and finished cars roll out the other. This isn't just about building cars faster. It's about transforming the economics of electric vehicles. Faster production means cheaper cars. Cheaper cars mean more people can switch to EVs. And when more people switch, the EV revolution accelerates worldwide. For competitors, this speed is terrifying, because catching up might no longer be possible. If Tesla can build one car in 40 seconds today, what happens tomorrow? Could we see cars built in 20 seconds? Could future Gigafactories churn out solar-powered homes, electric planes, or even space vehicles with the same blistering pace? One thing's certain. We are witnessing the dawn of hypermanufacturing, and Elon Musk just raised the bar for the entire planet. 40 seconds, that's how fast the future is being built. Are you ready to keep up? But here's something you might not expect. Despite the relentless pace, this is a factory of exhausted workers scrambling to keep up. In fact, humans here aren't doing repetitive assembly line tasks at all. Their roles have shifted. They oversee robots, analyze data, and troubleshoot complex systems. It's a glimpse into a future where human creativity drives machines, rather than the other way around. Let's put the scale into perspective. Tesla's Gigafactory spans over 10 million square feet, larger than 100 football fields combined. Inside, hundreds of Gigapress machines churn out massive chassis parts, while automated battery lines assemble energy packs in under 2 minutes. The result? A continuous stream of vehicles that feels more like a river of innovation than a traditional factory floor. This production speed isn't just impressive, it's disruptive. Competing automakers, some with decades of experience, now face an uncomfortable truth. Traditional methods can't keep pace. Analysts predict Tesla's cost per vehicle could drop by up to 30%, putting immense pressure on rivals in Europe, Japan, and even China. This isn't just a race to build cars. It's a race to survive in the new electric era. But here's the bigger question. What happens when you can build anything this fast? Cars are just the beginning. Imagine homes, energy storage systems, or even spacecraft built in days instead of months. This factory isn't just a milestone for Tesla. It might be the prototype for a new industrial age, one that could redefine human progress itself. Over a century ago, Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing with the moving assembly line, cutting car production time from 12 hours to just 90 minutes. It changed the world. Now, Tesla's doing it again, compressing 90 minutes into 40 seconds. This leap isn't just technological, it's evolutionary. It suggests we're standing at the edge of a second industrial revolution, powered not by steam or oil, but by algorithms and electricity. And this is just one factory. Tesla is quietly replicating this blueprint across the globe, from Texas to Berlin, from Shanghai to Mexico. Each new Gigafactory is faster, smarter, and more automated than the last. Together, they form a planetary network of hyperproduction, capable of responding to global demand in real time. But perhaps the most astonishing part, these factories are learning. AI doesn't just run the machines, it improves them. Every second, data flows from thousands of sensors, teaching the system to cut seconds, reduce waste, and anticipate problems before they happen. In essence, Tesla's factory isn't just fast, it's alive, evolving with every car it builds. And when speed becomes limitless, the possibilities explode. Imagine Tesla applying the system to grid-scale batteries, solar cities, even off-world colonies. Building on Earth at lightning speed is impressive, but building on Mars? That's when humanity's story truly changes. But speed comes with shadows. A factory this powerful demands colossal amount of energy and resources, lithium, cobalt, rare earth metals, often mined under controversial conditions. And while automation creates efficiency, it also eliminates traditional jobs, forcing entire communities to rethink their livelihoods. Tesla's miracle of speed raises a difficult question. What's the human cost of progress? Meanwhile, the world is watching. Legacy automakers like Toyota, Volkswagen, and GM are scrambling to replicate Tesla's breakthroughs. Chinese giants like BYD and NIO are racing to out-innovate them. It's no longer just about who builds the best car, but who builds the fastest, cheapest, and most scalable manufacturing system. And the stakes? Nothing less than dominance over the future of transportation. And beyond Earth, Elon Musk's vision stretches even further. He doesn't just see Gigafactories on every continent. He imagines them on other planets. Self-assembling factories on Mars, powered by sunlight and AI, churning out habitats, vehicles, and life support systems. For Musk, this isn't science fiction. It's a blueprint for making humanity multiplanetary. But as Tesla's 40-second miracle reshapes the world, we're left with a choice. Will the speed liberate us or outpace us? Will we harness it for abundance, or allow it to widen the gap between those who control the machines and those left behind? The race isn't just between companies. It's between visions of the future itself. What makes Tesla's speed almost otherworldly isn't just the assembly line. It's the invisible brain behind it. Artificial intelligence doesn't merely monitor the factory. It predicts future demand, reroutes supply chains in real time, and even adjusts production schedules hours before a shortage happens. In Tesla's world, delays aren't managed, they're prevented before they exist. And then there's the Gigapress, the behemoth at the heart of this miracle. Already the largest casting machine in the world, Tesla is developing an even bigger version, capable of producing entire car frames in a single press. One shot, one mold, one flawless piece, reducing hundreds of welds and bolts to zero. It's not just faster, it's perfection at industrial scale. But here's the secret most people miss. Tesla isn't just building cars. It's building an industrial empire. The same methods that assemble EVs could scale solar panels, mega batteries, even AI-driven robots like Optimus. Each Gigafactory is less a car plant and more a prototype for a self-replicating machine, a factory that can build other factories. Which raises the ultimate question: what happens when manufacturing no longer has limits? When machines build faster than humans can imagine? Will Tesla's vision unite the world in abundance or spark a new era of industrial rivalries, fought not over oil or land, but over speed itself? But with every leap forward, a shadow grows longer. If AI can run entire factories, where do humans fit in? The same 40-second miracle that builds cars also threatens millions of jobs worldwide. Economists warn of a new divide: those who own the machines and those replaced by them. Are we racing toward a future of prosperity or a silent economic collapse hidden behind gleaming metal walls? And then there's the planet itself. Electric cars promise clean transportation, but the mining, the gigawatt-hungry factories, the sheer scale of production, can green technology stay green when pushed to extremes? The answer might decide whether Tesla saved the planet or simply accelerates a new kind of consumption. Meanwhile, nations scramble behind the scenes. China is scaling EV factories at record pace. Europe fears dependence on American tech giants. Governments whisper subsidies, tariffs, even tech espionage. This isn't just about building cars anymore. It's a quiet arms race over who controls the manufacturing heartbeat of the 21st century. 40 seconds. That's how fast the future moves now. The question isn't whether Tesla can keep up, it's whether we can. When machines learn faster than civilizations, when factories outgrow nations, what does humanity do next? And are we ready for the moment when the factory itself begins to dream bigger than we ever imagined? In just 40 seconds, Tesla redefined what's possible. Factories that once crawled now sprint. Industries that once ruled now chase shadows. And humanity stands at a crossroads, caught between fear of obsolescence and the promise of limitless creation. Elon Musk calls this the first step toward building not just cars, but civilizations, on Earth, on Mars, and beyond. If a car could be born in 40 seconds, what else might humanity create in a single heartbeat? The clock is ticking. The race to the future has already begun.